Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use coins on AliExpress. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video to the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to use coins on AliExpress, first what you need to do is open up your AliExpress app, and then if you aren't logged into your account, be sure to be logged into your account, right? And once you're logged in, simply tap on the account option on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on account, here under payment and discounts, you'll be seeing options like card, coupons and coins, right? Now simply tap on coins. Here you'll be able to see your coins, right? And now you can earn coins simply by buying the product or referring it to someone else, right? And now in order to use the coins, as you can see, there is an extra percent 25 off in this product, right? That means that the coins play a discount role on the actual price. So in order to use it, all you gotta do is just simply tap on the select a product, right? And now depending upon the conditions provided by the sellers, you will be able to use your coins, right? Now simply click on buy now. The coin conditions will be applied to the selected product, and that's basically how you can use coins on AliExpress. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.